Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time once again to unbox Sephora Play. If you are unfamiliar with Sephora Play, it is a $10 a month monthly subscription service. You're going to receive 5 beauty sample items plus a bonus item. These are going to be items that you can find at Sephora stores. You fill out a little bit of a survey. They kind of find out, your skin type, hair color, eye color, things like that, and try to curate the box a little bit more geared towards you. Down below in the description box, I will leave a link for you to check out Sephora Play. It is not a referral link. Sephora does not do that. It's just a link that'll take you straight over to the Play sign up page. But without further ado, let's get into this. So you open up your box like this. Inside is the first thing you're going to see is the playbook. This is going to be a little booklet that's going to give you this month's theme, as well as tips and tricks on how to use the products. Also in the playbook, it's going to give you a description of all the items you receive, plus adorable little puns that I feel I must read and share with you all. So this month's theme is the good stuff. None of this month's selections contain any parabens, phthalates, or sulfates. And in the box then is going to be your little bag that's going to contain all of your goodies. This month it's just simple. This is kind of reminiscent of all the bags they've always been sending out, which is just a white bag with a red or black string, and it just says play on the front. So I like to dump all of the goodies out of the bag so I can see what we've got and see if we've got a perfume sample, and I don't see one this month. Yay! Don't like getting perfume samples. So let's see what we got. The first thing I'm picking up here, this is from Fresh. This is the Sugared Advanced Therapy Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. All natural sweetener. Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment in Dream. An effective treatment with a pink tint that nurtures and protects skin for velvety smooth lips. So the next thing I'm picking up here, this is one of the Tarte Amazonian Clay blushes. This one is in the shade Partay. I already own this shade here. So this was the birthday gift last year for Sephora. I will definitely be passing this one along, but let's go ahead and read what it says about it. Clay all day. Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in Partay, a soft silky powder blush in a Sephora exclusive shade that looks flawless for hours. Next up here we have Cora Organics Noni Glow Face Oil. Oh, for all skin types. From soil to oil. Cora Organics Noni Glow Face Oil. A powerful blend of plant-based oils that smooth, nurture, and brighten the skin. Next up here we have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Remover Cleanser. A sure thing. Tarte Deep Dive Cleansing Gel Rainforest of the Sea. A hard-working daily face cleanser that leaves skin super soft and hydrated. And our last item before we get to the bonus, this is the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. Here we glow. Argan. Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter, a hydrating moisturizer that nurtures, protects, and leaves the skin soft, smooth, and glowing. And this month, our bonus item is a foil packet. I so much love getting these more so than perfume samples because if you've watched me for any length of time, you know how I feel about perfumes. This month's bonus sample comes to us from Christophe Robin. This is the Regenerating Mask with rare prickly pear seed oil, sumptuous hair, smooth and protected. Deep-seated strands. Christophe Robin Regenerating Mask with rare prickly pear seed oil, an antioxidant-rich treatment that smooths hair and enhances shine. And so that's it. That is everything that came in Play by Sephora this month. I am really excited to try this out. I always love a hair mask. Hair masks are wonderful, and I love masks in general, but hair masks are really good. Again, the Tarte blush in Partay. It is a gorgeous shade. I just already have one of these, so I will definitely be passing this along. Probably an upcoming giveaway, something like that. The Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil or Argan Oil Face Butter. I'm really excited to try this because I do like the Josie Maran argan oil, just the regular oil, so I'm really excited to try the whipped version. The Cora Organics face oil, I'll definitely have to do a little bit more research on this just to see what the noni extract is all about, I'm definitely excited to give it a try. The Fresh Dream Advanced Lip Treatment, and it's got a little pink tint, so this is definitely something that can hang out in my purse and just be one of those wonderful little things that can smooth on my lips on the go, so I'm really excited to give this one a try. And the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleanser. I love the Deep Dive Cleanser. This is an amazing cleanser, so I'm definitely excited to have another little sample of this to use up. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.